Let me show you the installation and using steps of this laser hair removal device with two handpiece new design. These are the spare parts of the device. This is the small spot size, and this is the safety lock. This is the big spot size laser hair removal handle, and this is the skin rejuvenation handle. Okay, let me turn it back. The safety lock is inserted into the left connector and twist it to tighten. And this is the laser handpiece. The laser handpiece is inserted into the middle connector. The skin rejuvenation handpiece is inserted into the right connector. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Okay, let me turn it back. Then release the emergency switch. You can do treatment now. There have 5 grades laser power for your choice. Push the button to choose the laser power you need. Push again when to the shooting times remain, and push again back to the first page. There are 3 icons on the right. They are cooling, warming, and hair removal. We do the hair removal treatment now. First, apply some cooling gel. Then push the button, choose the power you need. Let the handpiece touch your skin. And push the button, remove. This handpiece is a skin rejuvenation handpiece. Push the button, the light is green. It means cooling function. Release the button, push again, the light is red. It means warming function. After the treatment, push the emergency switch.